Okay. In the same way, we as of now we create a console application, right? In the same way, you have create a MS test and unit. Two types of projects available. Okay, MS test, .NET Core. Okay, I'm selecting that one and MS test. Okay, MS test project. Okay, I'm creating a.
So you simply just go to the file and create the new project, right?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. 1 minute, Masu.
Okay.
Okay, I'm creating one project. Okay, MS test project. Okay, I'm creating a one class. Okay,
Okay.
and new item class. Okay, I'm creating a one class. Okay, see. Okay, I put as a public. Okay, one method public void test method. I'm creating one method. Okay, this is a one test method. Okay, okay. So how to run this method? Na normally by using console, right?
Yeah.
Okay, console application, right? In the program.cs main method is there. Create an update for this class and call it, right? So for MS test, now not required. Okay, this is a test. Okay, test class. Test method. Okay, the top of the class I added a test class annotation, and this is the one. This is the one test case. Okay, Okay, this is the one test case. Okay, just now I'm console dot write line. Okay. In the test class, how many methods are there? Two methods, right? This is the two methods. Okay.
Yeah.
How to run this test case now? So here the test and the text explorer is there. Okay.
Okay.
Under text explorer, click on the text explorer. This window will have to open. Okay.
Okay.
Build the solution. See, under MS test project, okay.
It's running.
What? No, not running, building. Okay.
Okay.
Unit test one is our project, right? This is our class, right? Unit test. Under unit test,
Method one.
this is, yeah, MS test demo is our project, right? Test method one and test method two. This are the two methods, right? You are seeing, right? How to run now? You want to only execute one method, right click here, run. Okay.
Okay.
If you want to run all the test cases now, right click here
And then run.
Okay, each question is done. How many test cases pass? Two test cases pass. Nothing will be right? Okay. Okay. Click that one. Yeah. Open additional output format. Click one. You can see the. See, I'm printing test method one, right? Console dot write line test method one. Na? I printed this is the console actually. Okay. Got it, Mastuma? Clear. Just previously we write one method and calling that method. Create a class for that one. Now,
Create object.
now I am using MS test framework. Okay. MS test. Okay. Test class and the top of the class you put a test class and test method.
So when we use this method like MS test,
We writing a test cases, right? We mostly prefer this way.
okay,
Not console.
it's easy. Okay.
Yeah, easy to run, right? No, okay. Main method is not required. Just run it from the framework.
From the framework. Okay.
Yeah. See, Masrama, here
Yeah.
only test method is there, right?
Yeah.
This is the one test case, and this is the one test case normally. Okay.
Yeah.
Here you observe, right? Test initialize, test cleanup. These are the two annotations available. Okay. Test initialize will execute before running this test method.
Okay.
This will execute before running this one.
This method. Yeah.
Once this execute is done, test cleanup will execute.
Okay.
Okay. Again, one more test method is there, right?
Yeah.
Again, test initialize, test method to test cleanup. Got it, Masrama?
These are the syntax every time, like, before we start the method, we have to do the initialize and the cleanup. I mean the initialize.
Yeah, yes.
Okay.
Yes. Before running this test method, first initialize, run the test case, and
Then
cleanup.
cleanup. Mhm.
Again, yeah, this one, right? Again, test initialize, test method, test cleanup. Okay. In the same way, okay, you observe assembly initialize, assembly cleanup. Okay, these two methods is available. Okay. So first execute only one time execution. Before running the test cases, first execute this one. Okay.
Mhm.
All test cases complete na, assembly cleanup will execute. Only one time activity. First time execute this one. Okay.
Mhm.
Run the test initialize, test method, test cleanup, mali test initialize, test method, test cleanup. All test cases is done na, assembly cleanup will execute
Cleanup.
once. Yeah. Now tell me, only one time, first time will execute this one, and
Yeah.
all test cases completed na, then only execute this one.
Okay. So it will start with the assembly initialize, right? Then
Yeah, yes.
then it is, if it's the before method, then it will go and do the test initialize. Then
Yes.
once it's run, then it will be like a test cleanup, and then after test cleanup, it will be assembly cleanup, right?
Yes, yes,
Okay.
exactly.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
This is the format. Yeah, I will show the practically. Okay. Yeah. If you write a code for Selenium, you need to install the Selenium also, right? Install Selenium plugin, right? Manage and use it package. Okay. Yeah. Hello. Hmm. Navigating to Google. Okay.
Yeah.
Validate search functionality. Okay. I'm
Mhm.
searching with Selenium. Google. Okay. Enter. Driver dot find element by dot name.
Select.
Okay, I'm entering in the same way. I'm entering Selenium. Driver dot find element. By dot export. See, this element is available, right? Driver
Yeah.
dot. I'm entering Selenium. Press enter. Okay. Then in the first element, right? This is the first element, right?
First element here.
This is the here Selenium is available. Na test case is passed, right? Okay. Dot text.
Text.
Text means get the text, right? String.
Text equal.
If of text dot contains Selenium is there, na?
Yeah.
Selenium is there. The test case is passed. Okay, Selenium contains Selenium is there, na? Else, okay. Yeah, here I'm writing.
Console. Search. Not working.
Now how to run this test case, right? Go to first build the solution.
Yeah.
Okay. Text Explorer. If Text Explorer is not available here, go to test. Okay.
Then
Text Explorer. Click on Text Explorer. It will open. Okay.
Yeah.
Sometime is available, sometime is not available. Okay. Text Explorer. Okay. This is the our test case is Google test, right? I
Yeah.
want you to put this test case. Okay. Mm.
Banket, is this the assembly or assimility? That's the first one. Public word assimini, maybe the spelling. Yeah, here.
Mm.
That's why it's failed.
Any name, okay.
Oh,
You put
okay.
any name. Name is any name.
Name, okay.
See, launching the browser
Yeah.
and validating such functionality. Okay.
Mhm.
Close the browser. Also need to write a logic for close the browser also,
Yeah.
right?
Mhm.
Okay. This is the where is my test case Google, right?
Google, yeah.
Then see the test case is passed. Okay. Then driver dot
Quit.
quit. Okay.
Mhm.
Now I'm running the test case. See, test case will pass, right?
Mhm.
And close the browser also.
Yeah.
Done. Okay.
Mhm.
See, this is the test case, right? So, tell me, this is for launching browser, and this is for closing browser.
Closing the browser.
I put this logic in. Okay, I put this logic in. Test initialize, test cleanup.
Yeah.
Okay, test initialize. Okay, test initialize, test cleanup. Now, okay.
Mhm.
This is the for launching browser, right?
Yeah.
And this is for closing browser, right?
Mhm. This is the cleanup.
Cleanup. See, before running this test case, launch browser will launch.
Yeah.
After running the test case, browser will close, right?
Close.
Automatically. So driver, you declare a web driver in the local in the method. This is a local variable, right? For that reason, driver is not declared. So I declare this variable as a global.
Okay.
No, got it, Masuma?
Yeah.
Okay. Driver is you declare global, right? You can access anywhere, right? In the any method, right?
Yeah.
Okay. First it will run this test method first. Okay. Before running the test method, which will run before test initialize, right?
Testing
Test.
initialize.
In the test initialize, launch browser navigate URL is done.
Yeah.
Then test method will execute. After completing the test case, automatically test
Test cleanup.
cleanup will run.
Yeah.
So see, the advantage you got it right when compared to previous one in the console application.
Yeah. This is easy.
For that reason, okay. See, launching browser, navigate URL, perform searching, and automatically close the browser also done. Got it, Masuma?
Yeah.
That's it. Okay. These are the annotations. This is the MS test. So presently no one using MS test. Okay.
Mhm.
NUnit is there. Same features available in the NUnit also. Same here. What are the features available? Test initialize, test
Initialize and
cleanup,
test
test
cleanup.
method. Plus these features is available and few more extra features also available in the NUnit framework. Okay.
Mhm.
So this is the MS test framework. Okay.
Mhm.
You write one more method. Now tell me. You write a one more method. For example, this is the one more method.
Google search.
Okay. Now tell me which one method first will launch. Launch browser.
Initialize, launch browser and maximize it. Yeah.
Launch browser, maximize the browser. Then
Then the method will
test method
execute.
one.
Yeah.
Then
Then the
test.
cleanup.
Again
Initialize.
again new browser will launch.
Mhm.
Test method
Yes.
2. Test method 2 and
Search. Yeah.
close the browser.
Close
Got
the
it,
browser.
Masuma?
Yeah.
Got it now? Now I'm executing now. How many browsers will launch?
2.
2, one by one.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm executing only one method, right? So only one method will launch. Okay. Yeah, 1 minute. I'm executing only one method here. I'm selecting one method in the class. I'm executing two methods. Okay. Now.
Yeah. Now it's 2.
First, browser will launch. Okay.
Yeah. Maximize it and then close it. Then
Second browser will launch. Now this is a different test case. As of now,
Yeah.
copy paste, right? Okay. And close the browser.
Yeah.
Okay. In the same way, you can do NUnit now. You can run the test case now. Two browsers launch at a time. But MS test now not possible. In the MS test, only sequence execution one by one.
One by one. Yeah.
For NUnit na parallel execution is also possible. Means
Okay.
two browsers launch at a time.
Same time.
Got it, Masuma?
Yeah.
So this feature and some extra features also available in NUnit. Okay.
Okay. So, but we doing MS test, right? Not NUnit.
We do NUnit. NUnit, Masuma. If now all are using NUnit framework.
Oh, NUnit framework. Okay.
NUnit, yes.
Okay.
In the same way, this is I'm creating one more project. Okay. Add new project. Here I'm searching MS test, right? Previously, MS test, right?
Yeah.
Now MS test. Now NUnit. Okay.
Okay.
NUnit. Okay. NUnit. Okay. Select next.
These are all different programming, right? Because MS is different, NUnit is different, and the console is a different way to do it, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Got it.
Now I'm creating a MS test project, NUnit project. Here also same. Okay.
Okay.
Here. Now tell me, on the top of the class, which annotation is there? On the top of the class?
We have to initialize test class. Yeah, test initialize.
In the top of the class, test class is there.
Test class, yeah.
Okay. And on the method top, no? What is this is the
test method.
Test method. Test class, test method. Test class means test class, test method. Okay. In the same way. Okay. Here on the top of the class, na, text fixture. The MS test test class. Here, text fixture.
Picture.
Got it?
Yeah.
Okay. Here, the test method. Now, what is there in the test method? In the unit, in the MS test, test method,
Test
right?
method, yeah.
Test. Here, only test. This
Only
is a test method here.
Okay.
Okay. In the same way, one more test initialize, test cleanup.
Yeah.
Before on the test class, this method will execute, right? In the here, okay. Here, maybe let's say public void. Method name anything test. Method name you can put anything.
Anything, yeah.
No need to worship. Okay. But annotation is important here. Okay. Here you observe now in the MS test, what are the annotation name? Test initialize, testing,
yeah. Test
cleanup, right?
cleanup,
Here,
yeah.
here only initialize and cleanup. That's it. Okay.
Okay.
Just here setup and here setup and tear down. There test initialize, test cleanup. Here setup and tear down. Got it, Masuma? Same functionality, same, but annotation name is different.
Different.
There test class. Here text fixture.
Test
Functionality
fixture.
same. Nothing.
Nothing.
Functionality same. Text
Yeah.
fixture. There test class. In there
Initialize meaning setup.
test test initialize. Here setup.
Yeah.
There test
There was the cleanup.
cleanup.
Test cleanup. This is a tear down. I think the verbiage is
Tear down.
different, right? Only
Yeah,
the
that's
different.
it. Just
Yeah.
only name is different. Functionality, everything is same. There test method. Here only test.
Only test.
Got it, na?
Yeah.
First, I will in the same way. You can this is the test, right?
Yeah.
Okay. First of all, you need a Selenium, right? This is a different project, na? In the solution is same, but this is a different project, right? You must should be install the Eclipse, install Selenium also here. Okay. So sorry, Selenium, right? Selenium. Selenium WebDriver. Okay, Selenium support and WebDriver, right? Google WebDriver. We already discussed, right? What is this thing? Selenium you need to install, right? This one. Selenium WebDriver. This one. Okay. In the same way, one time setup here. Setup test initialize na. Test initialize means what is in unit?
And it is the
Setup, right?
yes, setup.
In the same way, test cleanup means
Tear down.
tear down. That's it. Okay. Tear down. Why showing error? Na, you declare a global variable, right? One
Yeah.
need to declare one global variable, right? WebDriver. Okay,
Mhm.
this one, right?
Mhm.
Okay, for that reason showing error. Now I'm okay. Imports missing. Simple importing. Okay,
Importing and
open
saving.
QSC.
Mhm.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now how to execute the same way? How to execute now? Go to Explorer,
Go to
Text
the
Explorer.
Mhm. Unit
Ah,
test one.
N unit, right? Where is N unit? Here. This is N unit, right?
Yeah.
N unit. Okay.
Mhm.
You can simple. Everything is same, Mr. Nothing. Okay. Just the annotations is different. Functionality, everything is same. Okay. Yeah. Console, right? Here also import is missing. Okay. Using system.
Mhm.
Now I am executing.
Yeah. So you said the N unit can go parallelly. So
Yeah. I will explain later. Not now. It will take some time.
okay.
Same. Okay. Here also running the test case and close the browser.
Okay. Yeah.
That's it, Masma. I am writing only one test case, right? That's it.
Okay.
Okay. We practice this way. MS test and NUnit. NUnit is important. MS test not that much. As of now, so 80 to 90% client using NUnit framework. Okay.
N unit framework. Okay. So
Okay. This features is good in the NUnit. MS test now only this features is available. That's it. Okay. Only test initialize, test cleanup, test
the
method,
verbiage is
assembly
verbiage
initialize,
is different. Mhm.
assembly cleanup. Only these 5 annotations is available.
Yeah.
That's it. No other features is are not available in the MS test. MS test is a base framework. The MS test is available from starting. Okay. NUnit is the latest one, advanced one. NUnit is a advanced for the MS test. Advanced. This NUnit is advanced, not a basic. MS test is a from .NET 1.0 onwards. MS test is there, but .NET and NUnit framework is not there. MS test is a latest one.
Ah.
Got it, Mastama?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
But
Bank.
this is a old one. This is a
Okay.
old one. This is
Oh.
a advanced one. Okay.
So
Yeah.
MS test and the console is the old one, but the N unit is the most popular and the very like advanced one, right?
Yeah. NUnit is a console is the console is anyway is there. Okay.
Okay.
But in the testing,
Mm-hmm.
100% preferably we NUnit framework only.
Oh, okay. Got it.
With console again you can create a object and call that method. Everything is a tedious process, right? Okay. And work is also very hard, right? How to run the test case? Now you first of all create a class and again you create a object for the class and call, right? Here is not required, right? Here you can run from here only. Here run, but here but coming to here now you can execute from the Explorer, right?
Mm-hmm.
In the console application is not possible to execute from here.
Yeah.
Only you can run from the here only. You see, right? The
Yeah.
Selenium console.
Mm-hmm.
Only you can run from here only. Not possible to run from the Explorer. Okay.
Is there any
Simple.
other? Okay. Yeah. Any other framework with C# or
These are the only two frameworks: MS Test and NUnit.
they don't link with the C#?
This is a C#. What is this one? Now tell
Yeah.
me.
else, if and else you use the, yeah.
See, this is a NUnit framework. Okay.
Mhm.
What is this? This code is, what is this?
Code is coming through the C#.
C sharp, right?
Yeah.
That's it.
Yeah.
Without C sharp, nothing is there.
Nothing is there.
Got it,
Right.
Masruma?
Yeah.
You write a code, right? This is the C sharp, right? This
Mhm.
is the coding is C sharp, na?
Yeah.
But we are running the test. We are integrating with the NUnit
Selenium.
framework.
Selenium. Yeah. Any framework.
Selenium.
You know the homework you gave me. So do you want me to like
You can
I can do it.
you can do it in the
Okay.
yeah, NUnit, na?
Okay.
That is best, right?
Yeah.
Simple, right?
Yeah.
In the console again you can write. So you can create a 5 different test methods like this.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Each one is a one test case, not merge to one test case, right?
Okay.
Everyone is a one test case.
Okay.
Okay. You can create a in the NUnit, right? You create one separate class.
Okay. Mhm.
Here, right click, add new item, create
Okay.
a separate class, Flipkart demo something. Add new item.
Okay.
Add new item, create separate class. In the class
5
now,
different
what
classes.
is
Okay.
the already class is there. This is the syntax for the class, right?
Mhm.
You must put a test
Mhm.
fixer on the top of the class. You
Yeah.
add this one test fixture and set up and tear down and the test method, and
Yeah.
you can write your own logic.
Okay.
Okay, Maslima,
Okay, Venkat. Thank you.
you complete by tomorrow. Okay, then
Okay.
we'll discuss more.
Okay. Okay then. Same time tomorrow?
Bye,
The
Maslima.
night?
Yeah, same.
Okay. Okay then. Bye.
Bye.